10. Measure explanation. Learning about seconds. This clock is showing 5 minutes past 3. We know this because of the position of the hour and minute hands. There is another hand in the picture called the second hand. This hand moves swiftly. The second is a very small unit used to measure time less than a minute. The face of a clock is a circle divided into 60 equal parts. When the second hand moves one part, it takes 1 second. When it completes one round of the clock face, it moves across all 60 parts. This takes 60 seconds. In the same time, the minute hand moves one place, which means that 1 minute is over. It means that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. The clock in the picture above shows 5 minutes and 50 seconds past 3. Ante-meridiem and post-meridiem. It has been internationally agreed that as the clock strikes 12 midnight, one day ends and the next day begins. From that moment on, the clock shows the time for the next day. When 1 hour passes after 12 midnight, it is 1 o'clock. After that, it is 2, 3, 4, 12 o'clock in serial order. After 12 noon, again it is 1, 2, 3, 12 o'clock in serial order. The time before 12 noon is started as ante-meridiem or AM. The time after 12 noon is started as post-meridiem or PM. This method of measuring time is called the 12-hour clock. The 24-hour clock. The 24-hour clock is used to avoid this division of the day into ante-meridiem and post-meridiem. This method is used in timetables for trains, planes, buses and long-distance boat journeys. In this method, instead of starting again from 1, 2, 3 after 12 noon, we continue with 13, 14, 15, 24. In a 24-hour digital watch, time is shown only in the form of numbers. It does not have hands. In such a clock, 20 minutes past 6 in the morning is shown as 6:20 and 20 minutes past 6 in the evening is shown as 18:20. 23:59 means 59 minutes after 23 and 1 minute later. 24 hours will be complete. The digital clock will show this time as 00:00 at midnight and the day will change. At that time, a 12-hour clock shows 12 midnight. Study the following table to see how different times of the day are shown in the 12-hour and 24-hour clocks. Examples of time measurement. Example 1. If Abdul started working on the computer at 11 in the morning and finished his work at 3:30 in the afternoon, how long did he work? Method 1. From 11 in the morning to 12 noon, it is 1 hour. From 12 noon to 3:30 in the afternoon, it is 3 hours and 30 minutes. Therefore, the total time is 4 hours and 30 minutes. Example 2. Add 4 hours 30 minutes plus 3 hours 45 minutes. Are 4 minute 30 plus 2 hour 45 minutes equals to 6 hour 75 minutes, 7 hour 15 minutes. 75 minutes equals to 1 hour 15 minutes. Example 3. Subtract 5 hour 30 minute minus 2 hour 45 minutes are 4 minute 60 plus 30, 5 hour 30 minute minus 2 hour 45 minutes equal to 2 hour 45 minutes. 45 minutes cannot be subtracted from 30 minutes. Therefore, we borrow 1 hour and convert it into 60